Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Syakir Alamsyah, and in this video I will show you how to install custom map in Minecraft Java Edition. So to do this you need an internet connection and of course the Minecraft. First, download the map file. You can search it on Google. After downloading the file, extract the file. Right click on it. Click extract here. Next, click Windows R on your keyboard and then type %fdata% and then click OK. Open the Minecraft folder and then find the saves folder. Open it. After opening the saves folder, drag the map files to the save folder, or you can copy and paste it to the saves folder. After moving it to the saves folder, you can open your Minecraft and then play the map. So that's the tutorial how to install custom map in Minecraft Java Edition. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.